Well, I'm a recruiter here, and I handle all of operations at IT, supply chain, so on. And I have about, right now, I think I'm at about 60 requisitions, which is very high. And so I need all the assistance I can for the positions that we don't get a lot of applicants. When you have as many requisitions as I have, it's very challenging to find the time to be able to go in and source for those candidates, send them emails, follow up. Uh, it's just a bit of a cumbersome, uh, you know, system. Right now, I have so many recs. I don't have the time to source in that manner. So I was looking, I was excited when I learned about the Talenya tool and that I would be able to be very specific in the filter. I would have the assistance of a customer success manager, and Talenya would send out all the emails for me to the candidates. Saved so much time. Yeah, it was kind of a dream come true for me that somebody had created this amazing tool that sent out all the emails for me and even emailed me to let me know when someone was interested and help me set up the follow-up email. The people that I've been working closely with on my team and my coworkers really like Talenya. They've gotten a lot of good candidates. The hiring managers like the candidates. I like it because it does everything, does so much of the work for me. Not that I'm lazy, but I'm busy. I'm super busy. It's not that difficult. I find that some of my other sourcing tools, it's a little more difficult to create it. You have to get real specific with your Boolean searches. And with Talenya, I don't have to do a Boolean search. I just put in what I'm looking for, and it goes out and does all the AI sourcing. I'm a big producer here. I have a high level of people that I hire, and Talenya's been a great assistance in that for me. It's an amazing tool. You can go in there, list every skill you're looking for, the area of the country, the education. You can get very detailed about what you're looking for. Then you set up your campaign with your template emails, which you can get some assistance with that or use something you're already using, and then start the campaign, and it starts sending you candidates. It sends them emails, and the candidates start responding pretty quickly. It's easy, it's simple, and it's a great sourcing tool. And I'm like, everybody has their different preferences, what they like to work with. I like Talenya. It does all the work for me. I didn't even realize all the people that I hired that I found in Talenya, so I started going back through and looking at the candidates. To me, it's a no-brainer.